And what's good, YouTube? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to the Corey Ratcliffe Trading Channel, and we back with another banger, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Guys, we have been doing so good, man. I just give God the glory, God the honor, and God the praise for blessing me with this gift, for helping me open up my eyes to see the charts. I thank God for the coaches, Connor and Stephanie, being in my life, sowing seed into me, imparting into me to help me see the markets differently, guys. I'm just so grateful and thankful. I want to continue to be humble. I want to continue to be persistent and consistent in Jesus' name, because guys, we doing good. Yesterday we had a really good day yesterday of $1,300 in our Traderfy account, 50K, our 50K Top Step Combine account, and the 50K My Funded Futures eval account. All of these are evals and combines. We're trying to get them funded. But guys, the road we on, we almost there. I'm gonna show you guys the balance afterwards. I started looking at the market at about 6:30 this morning, my time. On here to show 5:30. But I was looking at the markets at about 6:30 this morning, and this is what I saw. So I'm gonna zoom out. The market has been ranging in these blue lines. I said, as long as the market keep ranging in these blue lines, I am going to continue to trade in that. So I got it on replay mode for a reason, because I want to show you my thought process. So let's get into the trade. At about 6:30 this morning, this is what I saw right here. I said, now, if the market decides to break out of this, we in there, man. So this is what I see, guys. This right here is impulse. The market is like fast and furious. It's going vroom, and then guess what? Right up here, the market is at construction. So it hits that top trend line. That's like signs like slow down, construction, beware, pedestrians. So the market barely touches that top trend line. So now what do you see? We start getting into a consolidation going downwards. Impulse, fast and furious. We get up to the signs, pedestrian, slow down, yellow light, red light. Hey, we got to get ready to slow down. Construction. So it barely touches the top trend line, and then it comes and it starts forming consolidation, which is construction. So I said, you know what? I looked at my chart. I said, ooh, this is a wedge. So on the wedge chart, it looks like this. It's going to push up, then come down, consolidation, and then it's going to push back up again. I said, ooh, I see it. Right now, what you see is this right here. This is where the market was when I was looking at it. So right where you see this box at right here is where the market was when I was looking at it. I said, now, if the market decides to come back to this entry where I want to take my trade, I'm in there, because it looks like the wedge that I seen on this mouse pad chart. I said, this is a wedge right here. I said the market has a really good shot of just shooting straight up again, man. So my mindset was, okay, I know where my entry is, I know where I'm getting ready to get in, and we're gonna take this trade, and I'm gonna live with it. So now I'm gonna fast forward. It still hadn't hit nothing yet. So I didn't know whether it was gonna go down more to touch this white line down here and then go up, or it was just gonna take straight up. I was just waiting. I was just being patient. Boom. When that hourly candle came, I said, I'm in this. I said, it's go time. I placed my trade on all three accounts. I got 3 phones, guys, I place trades on. People say, man, you can't do that. You can't be profitable. You can't do all that trading from phones and making all this money and being profitable and stuff. I'm like, well, in Jesus' name, I'm going to be the first one. I've heard a lot of people say you can't be profitable trading from phones. Guess what? Your boy can. Guess what? I've been doing it. I'm not profitable yet. I'm still trying to get another payout, but you see, the more I keep being persistent and consistent at what I'm doing, I'm gonna get there. I believe it and I receive it in Jesus' name, man. I'm trading from 3 phones. I like being different. I like being set apart. I like being the oddball. I like stuff that I'm the type of person, I like something when nobody else likes it. I like to stand out. I like to be the difference maker. That's one thing about me. I'm not with the go along, get along game. I'm set apart. I'm different. I like doing stuff that ain't nobody else doing. I like doing the impossible. From now on, that's my nickname, the impossible. Once I seen the market hit this, I moved that. I said it's go time, man. And as you guys can see, now my TP was originally right here. I said, man, here lately, when I've been taking trades and I'm missing out on a lot of money, where I have my TP at, it keeps wanting to go past it. It seems like every time I place my TP, the market keeps wanting to touch this blue line that's up here. This blue line way up here. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna shoot for the stars. We're gonna instead of my TP being down here, which would have been like a 1 to 4, we're gonna shoot for, we're just gonna shoot up here somewhere, man. I'm aiming towards that blue line. So let's keep going. I'm already in this trade. It's a done deal. I'm just waiting to see, boom, right out the gate. The market just took off. I said, oh my gosh, look at this right here. And as you guys can see, it went back down a little bit and then it came right back up to my TP, man. TP smacked within 45 minutes. I placed this trade at 6:30 and I got out. No, I placed this trade. I seen the I started looking at the market at 6:30 a.m. I placed the trade at 6:45 a.m. and I got out of the trade at 7:30 a.m. This trade was taken right before I even went into work. I wanted to close this trade right before I went into my job, man. So I'm still outside just making sure I got all my emails done and stuff like that, man. I'm like, man, I'm gonna wait on this. And I closed the trade right before I got into my job. I said, that works out perfect. I ain't even got trade while I'm in the building. Guys, I'm starting to notice all my trades here lately, ever since I've been journaling, ever since I've gotten my 50K Top Step account back to break even. The crazy thing is, guys, all my trades have now been taken from Asia and London session. It's either Asia session running into London, then I close in New York, or I take a trade in London and close in New York. Here lately, I haven't even been taking a trade in New York and close in New York. I'm either holding a trade overnight or holding a trade through London. I love it because now I can have all my trades and stuff done before I go into work. Ain't nobody got to be wondering whether I'm on my phone or what I'm doing and stuff. Everybody ain't in my business. Man, I'm making money, right before I go into work. I love it. Today's trade was a success, guys. Now, I'm going to show you screenshots of all the accounts and where the accounts are now. Check it out. So guys, we did really good today, man. You just seen the screenshots, man. Trader 5, we made $494.88. My funded futures account, $485.88. And our Top Step account, $488.88. We made almost $1,500 today in 3 50K accounts, man. I'm blessed, I'm honored, and I'm grateful, man, that I'm able to do this all from a cell phone. Traded 3 cell phones, man. I'm different, man. But yeah, that's today's trade, man. That's today's video. Just wanted to make a quick video, show you guys my profit today. To all my 9-to-5 workers out there, you can do all things through Christ which strengthens you, man. If you believe it, then you can receive it in Jesus' name. Put your mind to it, man. Ride them waves, man, and go after it. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey Ratcliffe Trading got coming out, man. If I can do it, you can do it, man. Make sure you stay locked in, tapped in, and keep God first, because God is exceedingly abundantly above all you could ever ask, think, or imagine, man. God can do it, y'all, if you believe, man. And you know, after every trading video I do, man, or vlog, man, y'all know what time it is. What is my favorite saying? In 3, 2, 1. My turn. I holla.
Yeah, sweet Jesus, I thank you for opening my eyes. Sweet Jesus, I thank you for giving me life. Sweet Jesus.